RVers and campers and people who like to do stuff outdoor. I'm Eric, the Swiss Army knife, and I'm here to review the electric e-bike by the electric company. And I wanted to sort of tell you how or give you some tips on how to look for an e-bike. There's so many out there now, and a lot of them are made in different places and are made cheaply and have issues. I chose these guys because they're in America and Arizona, and they make their own product and they stand behind them, and it just seemed like a really good item to purchase. Now there's two or three different bikes you can get. You can get high-speed mountain biking. You can get motocross electric bikes. I don't know if you knew that, but that's changing the whole world of motorbiking, motocross. They have to create a whole new class for these guys. And then there's like us, we're, mid-age, and, I have to look at this. I'm an avid bike rider, so I could use a real fast bike. I jump off curbs, I go places. I don't let it bother me. But my wife is different in that, and she just likes to cautiously go through wherever she goes and take no chances and what have you. So my choice of bikes, because we have two now, you can see, we just got them, and was based on togetherness, not how fast I could go, just how much fun we could have together. And if I had a fast bike, she'd see me in the dust. So I really had to scale down and go, what's the reason for our going? Is it just for me? Is it just for us? Or is it just for her? So I thought it was all inclusive. And so that's why I chose this. They go about 20 miles an hour. Again, if I rated this at 1 to 5, I'd give it a 4.8. I have two things to say about this bike that I could see improvement on. And I'm a manufacturer, work with a manufacturer, so I understand where the key is located. I was trying to flip that in my head the other day to go, where else could they put it? With the battery, the way it's made, it would be very difficult. So they've got this underneath. I found myself going to a place of business, and when I was done, I got my key out and I put it in. I couldn't find the slot. And so that was a big deal. I literally had to bend down and push the key and find the slot. I couldn't do it by feel, which maybe as I get used to it, I can, but that's a biggie. The other one is the brakes. I think they may be new because they were a little bit squeaky, or not squeaky, but they felt a little bit gritty. And I think that might go with time. So I'm going to let that one go, knowing that that might just be an adjustment. But other than that, love it. Love the shocks. Love the fact that you have lights, and love the fact that they have a manual and auto setting, and you just have to manipulate the two buttons on your power side, and you get lights. So that's really neat. So now I'm going to unbox this, and I'm going to show you how great it is. When you're folding this up, notice when I fold it up that it actually has a bar down below that allows it to stand in the fold position. That's huge. Somebody was really thinking, that's great. So kudos to you, Electric Bike, and I hope people benefit from this, and I hope you sell a whole lot of bikes from this.